In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoho Books plan. This process is straightforward and allows you to select a subscription plan that best fits your business's requirements. Let's dive right in and get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books dashboard. You'll be greeted by your business's financial overview, a crucial point for managing your business's finances effectively. Now, to access the settings, look towards the upper corner of the dashboard where you'll see a gear icon. Clicking this will open a menu displaying various options to customize your Zoho Books experience. Once you're in the settings, search for the Manage Subscription option. Clicking this link redirects you to a page that presents the current plan details. It's here that you get visibility into your existing plan and where you'll make any changes. With the available plans displayed, evaluate each one carefully based on your business's needs. Zoho Books offers a range of options, each tailored for different levels of business operations. Consider factors such as the number of collaborators you need, advanced report templates, or automated workflows that your business may require. Once you've determined the best plan for your needs, go ahead and click the Upgrade button next to that plan. After selecting your desired plan, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary plan details. This usually involves standard information related to your business and any specific preferences you may have. Be thorough and ensure that all the details accurately reflect what you've chosen. Once you've reviewed and completed the necessary plan details, click Continue. You'll now arrive at a phase to review your order. This is your final opportunity to make sure everything matches your expectations. Go over your selections and ensure the plan details and costs are aligned with what you've chosen. Satisfied with what you see? Great! You can now click Confirm, but we're not done just yet. Before finalizing the upgrade, fill out your billing address and payment details. These are crucial for completing the upgrade process efficiently and ensuring seamless payment processing. Finally, with every detail entered correctly, go ahead and click on Make Payment. This action will finalize the purchase, and you should receive a confirmation of your plan upgrade, along with a receipt of the transaction. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Zoho Books plan to better suit your business needs. Keep in mind that if you have further queries, Zoho's support team and resources can be helpful. Feel free to reach out to them for any additional assistance you might require. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the upgrading process a breeze for you.